Good morning, children. This is Pushpalata ma'am. Today I am going to teach you Subject English Class 2, Lesson 12, The Crow's Nest textbook exercise. I will explain you, children. Yesterday I explained you lesson, no children. Now I will explain textbook exercise, children. Okay, children. Are you ready, children? Very easy, children. First Roman, look at the picture and complete the incomplete word. Here, see, children, incomplete word is there, no? You have to look at the picture and you have to complete the incomplete word. See, children, what this man is doing, what is this picture, what is here, you have to see. Now, row the boat. Row means going one end to another end in the boat. ROW, row. Row the boat. See this picture, children, what he is doing. Sow the seeds. He is putting seeds in the ground now, children. Sow the seeds. SOW, sow. We will say sow. Sow the seeds. Here, see, children. Move the grass. Move the grass. See, he is cutting the grass. See, children, with the help of this cutter. Move the grass. M. What is this, children? Bow. A red bow. Okay, children, understood? Once you see the picture and read the sentence, children. Row the boat. Sow the seed. Mow the grass. A red bow. Okay, children, understood? Come to the next Roman. Put right if the sentence is right and wrong if it is wrong. Okay, children, you listen the lesson now, children. You read the lesson, you read the sentence, and if the sentence is right, you have to put right. If the sentence is wrong, you have to put the wrong. Okay, children. First one. The parrot has a red bow. You listen the lesson, no, children? The parrot has red bow or green bow or blue bow? Red bow. Red bow. Correct only, no, children? The parrot has a red bow. Bow means what? This one. See this picture. Red bow. So, correct, no, children? The sentence is right, so you write correct. Right. Put right. Now, the parrot is living in Kalu's nest. Yes, no, children? The parrot is living in Kalu's nest. This sentence is correct. So, correct you write. The crow likes the parrot. You see, children, the crow likes the parrot. You listen the lesson now. Crow likes the parrot? No. So you have to write wrong. The fox kisses the crow. Fox kisses the crow, children? No. So this sentence is wrong. So you have to write wrong. The fox is kind to the birds. The fox is kind to the birds, children? No, no. So you have to write wrong. Okay, children, once again I will read the sentence. The parrot has a red bow. Correct. The parrot is living in Kalu's nest. This sentence is correct, so correct, right. The crow likes the parrot. Crow likes the parrot? No. Crow does not like the parrots, but here given crow likes the parrot. So this sentence is wrong. So you have to write wrong. The crow likes the parrot. Wrong. The fox kisses the crow. Wrong. The fox is kind to the bird. Wrong. Okay, children. Next Roman. Write opposites of the following words, choosing the correct one from the star. Here, see, children, star given. This is star. In this star, some words are there. Friend, take, cold, night, far, stand, night. FRONT, friend. TAKE, take. COLD, cold. NIGHT, night. FAR, far. STAND, stand. Okay children, what you have to do? Here some words given. For these words you have to write opposite of the following word, choosing the correct one from the star. Opposite of hot, what word you check children? Opposite of the hot, what children? Cold. COLD, cold. So write cold here. HOT, hot. COLD, cold. Now second one, GIVE, give. What is the opposite of give? You search in the star. What is the word? Take. TAKE, take. So write take. TAKE, take. Next one, BACK, back. You search here children. Back, opposite of back, what? Front. FRONT, front, you write here. Next one, DAY, day. For a day, what children? You search in the star children, what word? What is the opposite of day? Night. NIGHT, night. You write here NIGHT, night. Next one, NEAR, near. Near opposite what children? FAR, far. SIT, sit. Opposite of sit, what children? Stand. In the star you check children. STAND, stand. You write here. Now once again I will teach you children. H, opposite of hot, cold. GIVE, give. Opposite of give, take. Opposite of back, BACK, back. FRONT, front. Opposite of day, night. DAY, day. NIGHT, night. Opposite of near, NEAR, near. FAR, far. SIT, sit. STAND, stand. Okay children, hot, cold, give, take, back, front, day, night, near, far, sit, stand. Okay children, all of you read these opposites children. Hot, cold, give, take, back, front, day, night, near, far, sit, stand. Okay children? Then here is a small assignment for you. Read and write 4th Roman opposites 2 times children. Okay children, we will meet you in next online class.